Maserati Quattroporte, AM123, 1974–78. The second generation of the Quattroporte, named Maserati Quattroporte II, AM123, made its world premiere at the Paris Motor Show held in October 1974, followed by an appearance at the Turin Motor Show. As a result of Citroën's purchase of the Italian company, it was a much different car from its predecessor and its successors. Built on an extended Citroën SM chassis, it featured front-wheel drive and Citroën's hydro-automatic suspension and swiveling directional headlights. The car had Bertone bodywork, penned by Marcello Gandini. The 1973 oil crisis combined with the collapse of the Citroën-Maserati relationship, made Maserati unable to gain EC approval for the car. Most of the cars built were sold in the Middle East and in Spain, where such type of approval was not necessary. The front-wheel drive layout and the modest 3.0-liter V6 power plant based on the Citroën SM engine did not attract customers. Its 210 PS, 154 kilowatts, 207 horsepower, at 5,500 revolutions per minute power output was barely enough to propel the 1,600 kilograms, 3,527 pounds, car to 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour. In 1974, Citroën had Maserati develop a V8 engine. It was essentially based on the 3.0-liter V6 engine used in the Merak with 2.5 cylinders from one block and 1.5 cylinders from another block welded together. This was done to save development costs. An SM was used to test this engine rated at 260 PS, 191 kilowatts, 256 horsepower. The adjustments needed were modest and transformed the SM into a proper sports car. It was tested in excess of 17,703 kilometers, 11,000 miles, at Modena and Monza autodromes and was also in the personal use of Maserati engineer Giulio Alfieri. The bankruptcy of Citroën and Maserati ended the V8's development in 1975. When the marque was acquired by entrepreneur Alejandro de Tomaso, he scrapped the project, but the engine was taken out of the test car and stored. The production total amounted to no more than 13 cars. While the prototype was built in 1974, the succeeding 12 cars were built to order between 1976 and 1978. The nearly stillborn Quattroporte II project was costly for the small company, and the firm reached 4 billion lira in debt by the end of 1978.